Welcome to the LivionKey20 Wall Installation Guide. We'll walk you through setting up your device with ease. Ensure you have a standard 230-volt outlet nearby or an external 18-24 DC supply for power options. Key Automat comes with a 5-meter-long power cable. The LivionKey20 offers 3 wiring options: surface-mounted, through the wall, or connected to a junction box. We'll explore each method in detail to ensure a seamless installation. Begin by detaching the wall bracket using an S5 key. This key is not included, so ensure you have one on hand. Unlock the bracket by turning the key counterclockwise. Install the wall bracket using the provided screws and anchors. The green marks indicate screw placement, while red areas show where to feed the wiring through the wall. For surface wiring, direct the cable downward from the device. The front cover has an opening for the cable, but routing it elsewhere requires modifying the cover. Use an appropriate cable trunk is needed to protect the cable. For through-the-wall wiring, drill a 16mm hole and thread the power cable through. With a junction box, align it with the bracket's larger opening. Cut the power cable, leaving 40 cm free, and strip the wires for connection. Connect the power cable wires to the junction box, ensuring correct polarity. Push the excess cable into the box. Next, attach the Key Automat to the wall bracket. Before mounting it, ensure the LivionKey20's wall bracket lock is unlocked. Also, remember to turn the device on using the power switch located at the back. Align the device with the wall bracket, ensuring the hooks engage properly. Slide the device downwards to secure it on the bracket. Check that the cable doesn't obstruct the hooks for a secure fit. Lock it in place by turning the key clockwise. The S5 lock needs to be programmed into the locking system. We recommend programming all Key Automat wall bracket locks in your organization with common access right. For example, with the name Key Automat wall bracket. Use the Key Automat hardware ID found from the bottom of the Key Automat for naming the S5 lock in iLock Manager. Once the lock is programmed, create a short-term key contract for the Key Automat with access to that access right. Use a PIN code to retrieve the key and lock the Key Automat to the wall bracket. Return the key to the Key Automat by presenting it to the front NFC reader. The key will be available for use after this contract ends. Thank you for following the LivionKey20 installation guide.